Hi, how are you? Welcome to Warley Digital. My name is Charles Marine. I'm the owner of Warley Digital, and thank you for joining us. Thanks for joining the team. I appreciate you. I appreciate what we're going to do together, and I hope we're going to be successful. I just wanted to introduce myself and show you the phone system that I'd like to use, and just a couple of things, just in case you have any questions. I hope I can answer them. And as I talk about the product a little bit, and I also want to talk about what I do and why I do this. So, just a little bit about me. I come from a manufacturing background, and then I became a high school teacher, taught for a while. Very rewarding. I still want to teach eventually, go back to teaching. And then I started Warley Digital because I wanted to help and impact local businesses. Teaching was about impacting students. Then during COVID, I realized I wasn't given that much impact, and there were all these businesses out there, especially like some of my students, their families were in. I could tell, like, if they're in the construction industry or certain industries, I felt like, oh, I can have an impact on your family as well. I try to help business owners reach the goals of why they started the business. And with that, I believe, if you help people as much as you can, you will get helped yourself. Or at least if you give everything for people, whatever you want will come to you. That's not the point. The point is actually not really to gain. Well, we all want to survive, live, thrive. But the point is to help other people. I really truly think I can help all these clients get more customers and grow their businesses. Okay, so that's about Wallet Digital. I just want to bring the product up, the one that I want to be selling to people. So I realized that selling websites, selling GMB optimization, which is your Google profile optimization, and selling search engine optimization. Though these things work, these things are really good for roofers, landscapers, for local SEO. What ends up happening is that business owners don't understand why they work or how they work. For example, to have the conversation of convincing someone that search engine optimization, pay me monthly, and I'll get your website to the top of Google. And once you're at the top of Google, you'll have more people calling you. Um, just that concept, connecting the theory and the practical. People find it hard and they're very hesitant, and there are tons of people in this field. I get emails every day from SEO people and whatnot. So what I was thinking, I thought about the goal. Why am I doing SEO for a company? Why am I um, trying to build optimize the Google profile? Why am I building them a website and doing all of this? Well, the main reason is leads, because you're getting that, the roofer, the contractor, more and more leads. So I figured that, hey, instead of selling them that service that's hard to sell, to understand, why don't I just sell them the leads? Like, give them leads, because that's the end result. And I'm realizing that when I talk that way, instead of saying website and I'll do all these services for you, when I tell them I will get you leads, they're much more receptive. They want to hear that because that's what business owners want in the end. And that's the reason for all these services. So I came up with this proposal, this product of mine, which I'm just calling, concierge lead service. Other companies do this in various different ways, but what I'm offering is to do all the back end work, all the digital marketing, all the website building, all the Google profile optimization, all of the monthly search engine optimization, SEO, for free. I mean, just do it by myself on the back end. And the result is, once I start getting leads, I'll just give them the leads. I also do Facebook advertising, Google advertising. I employ all of my skill sets by myself using our own resources, and then just simply provide the customer leads. And I believe and I've seen that that's what they really want. They love it when I call them up or text them, hey, so and so needs a quote for this. They're there. So this product, this service, the way I want it to be sold is presented as you pay only for the leads that you close. And this makes sense because a lot of companies say you pay for all the leads I give you. Sometimes, clients are not that good at closing, so it ends up that they're paying for so many leads, but they're not closing anything. So I phrase it as pay only for the leads you close, but there's a 10% cost per closed lead. Now, eventually, as we get more and more customers, I'm going to increase this to 15%, but it's 10% per closed lead, and that's it. So you're just telling the client, the potential client, hey, are you interested in paying for only the leads that you close? We'll give you tons of leads, but you pay for only those that you close, and it's only 10% of whatever of that lead, of your whatever you get from them. And I think that is very attractive. Now I'll hand you a script. I have a script, but I was just feeling that this video would introduce me and introduce this whole product. One other thing I have to mention is that there is a one-time setup fee. Now, why is there a setup fee? Because of all the stuff that I need to set up for them, that we need to set up for them. So, at no cost or stress to you, to the client, we put in the work behind the scenes. Pay us from what they pay you, the clients pay you. And these are the things I do. I do websites and local SEO, which means once I begin the service, I'll build websites in that area and start applying SEO to them. Meaning, they're going to start rising in the map results, those small websites. And slowly, between 1 to 3 months, I'll start getting calls on that website for that service. The other thing I do, so for that, once they're signed up, I'll take in the information and I'll assign the file to someone, and they'll start building the website and doing the SEO. That's automatic. The other thing I do is I optimize the business profile. So as soon as they sign up, as well, the information I'll take in the intake form, I'll take the business profile information, the Google business profile, and then I'll start to optimize their profile. The thing with this is that you rise up in the map results, and the map pack. Whenever you search on Google, there's a little map area, on the first page. If you're the top 3 there, you'll get a lot of calls, and that's what this profile optimization is. I need to correct the spelling. Excuse me. Okay, I also do Facebook advertising. Now, the reason for this is that as soon as they sign up, SEO takes a while. It takes 1 to 3 months to start seeing results and people calling. Google profile optimization also takes a while. It takes about 2 weeks to a month for you to start rising up in the search results. So to give them leads immediately, between that time, all these other assets start to get calls. I'll do Facebook advertising for them. I'll advertise on Facebook for their service, their location, very targeted. I have a system that's pretty cool. I do expect them to have a Facebook page. If not, I'll build it for them, etc. Then after that, if we're not getting any leads in the first 2 weeks after employing all of this, Facebook usually works. But if we're not, I will start Google Ads. Now, Google Ads are targeted for Google, a little bit more expensive. That's why I wait to actually do this. But this is something else I will also do for them. And then I'll start building funnels on four different platforms. Like a click funnel where you have an exciting offer or some information. You get someone to click on it. They come to another page which has more information, maybe something for them to download, and also grabbing the information, grabbing their email, grabbing their phone number, their name, and then you can start an automatic email campaign, getting directed to those people so that they can go to my client. So putting a funnel for my client on these different platforms and driving people to my client. The funnel is usually for just capturing information, capturing emails and whatnot. Yeah, so to build all of this, I do need a little bit of a startup fee. I can't do it it's very hard to do it by myself and not be paid for a while. So I do have a small startup fee because these things cost, and also I have to eat. and I also have to pay you, my salesperson. So in summary, it's 10% commission from closed clients. I say verified to come from us because they can get clients from anywhere. So those ones that are verified, I know for sure this is from me. I ask you for 10%. There's a one-time setup fee, and it is $17.94. This, like I said, covers everything that I've talked about, and also covers your commission, because from that you're going to get $400, and the monthly ongoing cost to the client is zero. After that one-time payment, they don't pay anything else, and they just wait for leads to come from us. I should mention that there's a 60-day guarantee, meaning if you don't see results in 60 days, I will give you the entire investment back. I feel like this gives safety and assurance for the client, because if they know they're going to get the money back if nothing happens, then they're more willing to take that risk and saying, hey, let me try this guy out. On my end, I give this guarantee because I know that within 30 days, all these methods I've talked about will work and they will get them clients. So I'm very sure I'm not going to be giving back this full refund because I'm going to be giving good results for them. But it's good to mention because they're going to feel safe. All right, so another thing I want to mention on this site, and I'll send you the site, is our capability statement in case they need any makes us look legitimate, and in case they need any proof or something to show, okay, what are these guys capable of? Who have they worked with, etc. It does have some past clients there. Then I have 2 case studies over here. So what happens next after we take the information? After they purchase the setup fee, the sign up fee. We take the information. An automatic email gets sent out. They will actually. The information is also on my website. Let me see. Just one second. All right, I got it. I don't know if you can see the URL here. It's warleydigital.com/intake form, and that's where they'll put in all the information, etc. Okay. So if there's any questions you have, just let me know. Oh yeah, sorry. Here I am. Intake form. So there's a preview of the form. I'll build the assets. Most of those assets will be done within a month, all of them, but they will start to see results within 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the niche, the competition, etc. And then continuously build their brand. So along our relationship, I will continue to talk to them about how to build their brand. I'll give them some advice. Etc. So that's it for that, and the next video I'll show you the phone system. Thanks.